Right, so this is an old pheasant poacher's trick for catching pheasants with a gin trap, but around the neck rather than the leg, because these gin traps was originally leg hold traps. But it was vital for a poacher not to get caught and draw attention. So if he caught a pheasant in a gin trap by the leg, then that would obviously be just trapped there, squawking, and squealing, and would draw attention, and then he'd probably get caught, or the animal would be found. So if he could get the pheasant to put his head in this and then kill it instantly, it was much better for a poacher that way. But the problem was that once you'd set your gin trap, and then put your seeds or your peas or whatever on it, what would happen, unless you could set it very lightly, the pheasant could just come along and just be able to pluck off each of the seeds without setting the trap off. Maybe even knocking them off, but he could get them without setting the trap off. So they came up with an idea, and the idea was you would get pine pitch or glue or whatever else, smear it on your treadle plate, and then glue on or stick on the peas. I'll show you that. I'm not going to put glue on this, but I will show you by putting the glue onto a bit of cardboard and sticking it on here. So essentially that's how you would have done it, but you could just glue them straight to the treadle plate. And then because they was glued on, it would mean that the pheasant would have to struggle a lot more to get them off, and then by doing so would set it off and get it around the head. So that was an old poacher's trick. By gluing those on there, you could catch a pheasant around the neck rather than the foot. And I think they used to say what you would need is the rabbit size gin trap. So to be honest, a larger size than this one. This is more like the rat size one. The one's slightly bigger than this.